we'll start our session. Now see, here first set is related for caselet portion. Caselet means the information available in theoretically. So read that information, identify the data and make it as a label. Now see the question here. In a company, there are 180 employees, 180 employees, 800 employees. See here, total number of employees is exactly equal to 1800. So 1800 employees. In the company, they have three different departments. So here, three departments is one is computers, another one is finance, and third one is technical. Now see the next line here. The total number of employees in finance department is 25% of total number of employees in the company. Guys, see, first identify that how many employees are there in the each and every department. And you already know that the total number of employees in company is exactly equal to 1800. So out of 1800, 25% of people from finance department, guys. See, the total number of employees in finance is 25%. You already know that 25 percentage means 1/4 of the value, guys. 1/4 of value. So 1/4 of 1800. 1/4 of 1800 is exactly equal to 450, guys. So 450 people from finance department. So we'll get one value here. Next information. If the ratio of number of male to female employees in computer department is 3 is to 2. So again, you should identify that how many male persons are there and how many female persons are there. And they clearly mention that number of male to female persons in computer department. Male to female ratio is exactly equal to 3 is to 2. Is it seen? Try to understand the meaning of ratio. If there are 5 people, 3 people from male and 2 people are females. And we don't know that still what is the total count of computer department. And the number of female employees in finance department is 80%, guys. Number of female people in finance is exactly equal to 80% of number of female employees in computer department. Females in computer. So this is one of the data. And we don't know that still how many people are there in finance female and we don't know that computer female data also. Let's go through the next informations. The ratio of number of employees in computer department to the technical department is 5 is to 4. Guys, computer to technical ratio is 5 is to 4. You already know that. See, out of 1800 people, 400 people who are working in finance. So what about the remaining one? See, 1800 minus 450 is exactly equal to 1350. Now these 1350 people who are working in computer department and the technical department, and they clearly mention that number of people who are working in computer department and technical department is 5 is to 4. Check the calculation here. If there are 9 people, let's take in this way. If there are 9 people, 5 people from computer department and 4 people from technical department. And you already know that, see, 9 become 1350. See, 9 is multiplied by 15. It become 135. It means each number is multiplied by 150 times. Now, is it clear? Now, how many people in the computer? So, each unit is 150. 5 units is exactly equal to 750. Check the calculation, please. In the same way, here it is exactly equal to 4 units. Each unit is 150. 4 units is 600. Now, you will get the strength of each and every department. So, move on to the next one. The number of male employees in technical department is 50 less than the number of male employees in computer department. So let's take it as star. Why? Because we don't know that how many male and female in the different department. First comparison, we have a ratio of 3 is to 2. So if there are 5 people, 3 people are male and 2 people are female. So what is the total strength we have? 750, right? Now multiply here. Each number is multiplied exactly 150. See, 5 15s are 75 and 5 is multiplied by 150, it becomes 750. Now it means how many people are in male means 3 is multiplied by 150. So 3 15s are 450, right? Now 2 is multiplied by 150, it becomes 300. Now we have a last data. Number of male employees in technical. Number of male employees in technical is 50 less than the number of male in computer. How many male in computer? It's a 450. 450 means definitely it's a 50 less. So you will get 400 people from technical, which are male. What about female? So sum of two values is 600, right? So definitely female is 200. You will get this data. And we have a comparison. Number of female in finance. Number of female in finance is exactly equal to 80% as females in computer. How many females are computer? 300. So out of 300, now just calculated 80%. So 80% of 300 is 240 people. So 240 people are working in finance department. That too, it's a female. So female is 250, 240. It's a 240 means definitely it is a 210. Why? Because we know the total strength. Total strength is 450. That's it, guys. So we are getting these numerical according to the given data. See, try to observe that how I took the calculation. Guys, calculations are most important. Now let's check with the question. Now question number one. Now once you get the data, so you can solve the questions, guys. Why? Because everything is depend the table only. Try to understand this question. Now see here. The number of female employees in technical department is what percentage of number of male employees in computer department, guys? Female employees in technical. Female employees in technical. So female in technical is exactly equal to 200. Is what percentage of male employees in computer? Male employees in computer is 450. Means 200 is what percentage of 450. Go through the calculation. See, it's a like you just cancel in this way. Go through the table here. 5 fours are 5 nines are 4 by 9th of value is exactly equal to 44.44%. So 44.44%. Go through the next question and share this information to your friends who are having the exam. They will understand that what are the models they can expect in their exam. Now question C. Find the difference between male employees in finance department. Male employees in finance department is 210. And the total number of employees in technical department, total employees in technical department is 600. Now the question here, what is the difference, guys? Difference is 390, right? Next one. So let me take a table here. I will note down the values here. Meanwhile, go through the calculation. Now you can check the values here. Another question. Number of female employees in computer department. Number of female employees in computer department is 300. Is what percentage more or less number of female employees in the company? Guys, first identify that how many female employees are there in the company. It's a 300, 200, 500. It's a 740, guys. So definitely here answer is less. 300 is less than 740 by how many units? 440 units is less. Now they clearly mentioned that here first female employees is compared with the total number of female employees. Guys, comparison is always with the denominator. Here denominator is 740. Now here it's a 22 times. Here 37 times. So here the value 2200 divided by 37. Just go through the calculation. Guys, see 37 is multiplied by 6 approximately 7 6 are 42, 6 3s are 18. So 222. Guys, we have a 220. Definitely answer should be slightly nearer to the 60%. Nearer to the 60% we have 59.45. Now, find the average total number of employees in computer and technical department. See, computer, how many are there? It's a 750, right? And what about the technical? 600. So, total value is 1350, which is divided by 2. 6 times, 7 times, 5 times. It's a 675. Next question. Find the ratio between number of male employees in computer department. Number of males in computer department is 450. And number of female employees in technical department. Number of females in technical department is 200. 5 nines, 5 fours. It's a ratio of 9:4. Hope it's clear. And these are the 5 different questions from those Caselet information.